Hello friends and neighbors, it's Low Budget Shooter again at Low Budget Ammunition Laboratories, and this is a great moment for us at Low Ball because we've been messing with a 30-06 that was a gift from a friend, had all kinds of different tries, and finally we've got our cast lead bullets with gas check shooting like this. And I thought I would get photographic evidence of it just in case anybody doubted later. We've got a bullet that's about 175 grains. It's lubed with NRA 50/50, and it has a gas check on it, aluminum gas check, made from a Pat Marlin's gas check machine, I think. We're using unique powder, just under 13 grains, and this was shot at nearly 100 yards. I think my spot is really at more like about 90 yards. And sure appreciate the gentleman who lets me shoot out here at his place. You know who you are. Thank you very much. And the gentleman who passed us this stuff, thank you very much.